Hey test tubers, I'm back with the swiftness, and I'm here to talk to you about doing my eyebrows with Nair. It's gonna be pretty scary for me because I have not done this before, but you guys are gonna witness it firsthand today, so follow with me. Before I start anything, I need you guys to please read the description box below. Pause this video, do whatever you need to do. So after I have my eyebrows all done, just like I would go out, we're gonna get really into the process. I'm gonna take a Q-tip. I'm gonna put a little bit of Nair on the end of my Q-tip. Make sure it's not fully coated, but it's coated just enough. This goes for men and women too. You can use Nair for anything. You can use Nair for your body hair, your chest hair, your facial hair, eyebrows, it doesn't matter. But it works. You have to really focus and just make sure that you tell yourself that you're gonna do this right, because that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm just gonna put the Nair on the parts where I see the hair. I know you see the little hairs. You'll see where you need to put it. So after you arch it and make your own shape, it'll be easier for you to just pick out where you wanna spread the Nair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop before I get too ahead of myself, but here's what I have so far. On the bottle it states that you have to wait 3 minutes. So we're just gonna wait and see what happens afterwards.
A few moments later.
Okay, 3 minutes is up. So we're gonna take our damp rag and we're just gonna wipe the residue off. We're not gonna rub it like this. We have to wipe it off. So each section that you wipe, if you wipe the top, use another section to wipe the bottom, just so it doesn't cross. I'll wipe this part first. And after you wipe off the residue, just make sure you apply lotion right away, just so it doesn't burn. So while I was waiting, I did the other one, clearly, but we're just gonna wait and see about this one. I'm actually pretty satisfied with this other one. Most of the hair came off, I'll just have to touch it up, which is why we have our tweezers. While the other side's waiting, I'm just gonna use my tweezers to touch up this side that just got finished. I'm really satisfied with this eyebrow. It burns a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that's just the product working, but it's really good. All the hair that I saw before is gone now, and it's nicely shaped. I'm really surprised. I'm gonna take the other side off using my rag. And I'm just gonna gently So once again, we'll use the tweezers to shape up. So this is the end results after the slight touch up with my tweezers. I will definitely do this again because this was so cheap. This is what, $5 at the store the most? Yeah, like paying $16 every 2 weeks compared to doing this. It's just a little bit time consuming, but I definitely recommend this. So as before, we're gonna dip the Q-tip in the hole just to cover up the Q-tip, and we're gonna apply to where it's needed. You could do mustaches, peach fuzz, whatever works. I'm just doing this just to show you guys that this stuff is really legit. We're gonna leave it on for 3 minutes and then wipe it off with the rag once again. Now that the 3 minutes is over, we're gonna wipe off with our rag. Wow. Do you see anything? I don't. Just legit. Okay, let's try this side. See like 1 or 2 hairs, but for the most part, you get it all off, honestly. So after that, shape up. Add lotion, just for some soothing. And voila! I am fixed up. This is my eyebrow result. And I did my upper lip. Just my little peach fuzz. And that's it. I will be doing this again in the future just to save money. It works really well. As long as you put time into it, it comes out the way that you want it. Tweezers, lotion, Nair, and some Q-tips, along with your styling tool, pomade, or an eyebrow pencil, and you're set to go. It's really easy, time consuming a little bit, but I definitely recommend because it's totally worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and that's all for now, test tubers. Thanks for watching.